There's peeing. Yours is a little messed up.
Why did you get stuck in there? Oh, God!
How do you stay out of it now?
Oh, shit, he's too loud. That's funny as hell.
What?
He ate your thing.
What?
Your whatever it's
It's
called.
no good anymore.
Well, my tree is.
Oh, Dave.
That thing ain't any good.
That thing ain't any good.
I hope you had the electric unhooked from my thing.
You're flooded. You're flooded, Bobby.
Woo!
And look at the finale. Part perfect.